Alright, so in today's video we're gonna walk through how you can actually make money teaching languages on YouTube. So the first thing you want to do is just go to YouTube and identify your target language and just search learn Korean or learn French or learn Mandarin or whatever language you want to teach, and I just recommend you to go ahead and check out the videos that are out there. Most likely you've already seen them, and really the idea here is to start figuring out how you want to structure your videos and what are the topics you really want to cover. Um, Here's this Learn Korean channel that we have. As you can see, they have vocabulary videos, they have grammar videos. There's a monthly Korea January to December playlist out here. You have Korean grammar made easy, how to write your name in Korean. So the content is essentially limitless, right? Content is endless, so you will always have stuff to make videos on, but you have to make sure that you're actually making those videos and putting the content out there, because that is essentially the crux of your business with YouTube, and all the other steps depend on this one step, because the more videos you put out, the more quality content you put out, the more money you can generate with this business and the more people you can help. Of course, once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in a calendar year, then you can apply for the Google AdSense program and start making money through ad revenue. So that would be the first way to make money off this business. Second way, you can actually start tutoring, and italki is a good website to tutor other people. If you take a look at this website, you will see people are charging various rates. These are actually lessons, so these are pre-recorded. You obviously charge more for a live lesson with someone one-on-one. And this website is extremely popular. As you can see, they have more than 150 languages. But because they are popular, you actually have to go to their support page and check if applications are open for your target language. There's a lot of languages that are open, but some of the popular ones like English, French, German, Japanese, they're closed. So worry not. If you're teaching one of these languages, then you should head over to Preply. And this is another website that you can look at. It is not as popular as italki is, but the barrier to entry is lower. And so if italki does not work out for you, I recommend looking at Preply. And they both have their advantages, disadvantages. italki, you could probably make more money if you're a popular tutor on there, because they also have a much bigger student base, but then again, the barrier to entry for Preply is much lower, and the language you're teaching also matters. So you have to look at those things, and in case none of these websites work out for you, then I will be linking a video in the description. I'm going to make a shorts video where I will compile a list of various websites that you can use to actually tutor other people live, other than these two. But these two would be my first recommendations to look at. Okay, third way, pro profs, essentially making quizzes. And I don't mean just making, language quizzes in general. You could do that, but my recommendation would be making targeted quizzes for certain examinations or certain tests that are very popular. For example, in the English language, you have something called an IELTS test, and that is basically a language test which is used to gain admission into universities around the world. It is used for migration purposes and whatnot. And so this website, ProProfs, it really helps you actually create paid quizzes. So you can actually create a quiz and have people pay you for doing that quiz. And of course, you can link the quiz back to your video, and that is how you will make money off this tool. I will link this page in the description as well. How to set up my quiz for sale. There's a video on here which basically walks you through setting up ProProfs. In case this is too pricey, there are some alternatives for ProProfs as well, which I will also put in the description. Okay, so here is one example of the IELTS test that I was talking about, and of course this applies to every language course. Like most languages out there, German, Japanese, you have certain international tests and testing authorities that they usually have a test and there are vouchers or coupons or promos around it, and you can leverage those. In this case, this is, I believe this would fall into affiliate marketing. So this is a migration agent based in Australia, and what she's done is, essentially a migration agent's job is to help you immigrate, but because the English language test is an important component of the whole migration process for a lot of immigrants, she's added it here under her resources tab, and I think that's very smart. Um, but as you can see, so if you use this link, you get $35 off from the IELTS Reading and Writing Assist, which I believe is essentially some sort of a helping book or a guide to help you train for the exam. Now someone's gonna buy this Reading and Writing Assist anyway, and they'll definitely be giving the exam, otherwise why are they even looking at it? Might as well get a good $35 off, right? For the agent, this means that they're probably earning a commission, and this is, as you can see here at the bottom, there's a link in over there. That is the affiliate link through which she will be earning a commission. So really, for every test out there, there should be links like that. If not, there will still be other products that you can promote and earn affiliate commissions off. And I will give you some more examples. So this is Amazon, and if you haven't heard of the Amazon affiliate program, then that's another very popular program which basically allows you to promote products off Amazon onto your YouTube channel or your website or wherever. And basically, if you, for example, let's take this product right here, this book, it's a DELF A2 book. DELF is a French exam, a very popular French exam, and again, recommending one of these products, these DELF A2 products, whatever, would be very helpful for someone who's actually taking the test. And so if someone actually goes to your YouTube description and purchases an Amazon product through your link for, say, this product, then you would earn a commission of their purchase. And signing up for the Amazon affiliate program is a very straightforward process. Just Google sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, and it takes a couple of days, but you will be there. And earning affiliate commission is a very good way to make passive income. I have said this in other videos as well. It isn't an active way of making income, but it really adds up over time, and it's a very easy way of making income. So I don't want you to miss out on this, because literally what you have to do is paste links in your YouTube description for products, and there will be a few people every now and then who will go ahead and purchase that product. So you have nothing to lose here, it's just good extra income. Okay, now here's a more active way of making money, and that would be to set up your own course. And Teachable is my most recommended website to set up your own course, and the reason for that is that you earn most of the money that you generate of Teachable. There are other websites out there like Skillshare, and Skillshare is extremely popular, but you might not make as much money with Skillshare as you may with Teachable. Both are great websites, and I believe Teachable has better tools to help you set up a course. But either way, essentially you still have to make videos. It's very similar to making YouTube videos. So you basically walk people through and teach them the fundamentals and the skills of languages and whatnot, or you help them with a specific exam or a test or whatever. So the process is very similar, but the difference, I would say, is that with Teachable you really have to push on the promotions yourself. You have to do so with Skillshare as well, especially at the beginning, but Skillshare is more of a marketplace, and so it is also more likely that your course might be automatically discovered by many people. So there are, again, pros and cons to both, and you can even have, say, different courses on both websites. But these are two websites I would highly recommend looking out at if you want to set up your own course. Alright, the next way I have for you is, if you do not want to make a course, or if you're not at the point to make a course yet, guess what? You can promote other people's courses, and that is again where affiliate marketing comes in. But instead of promoting other people's products, you're promoting other people's courses. And as you can see, Skillshare pays up to a 40% commission, up to $67 for every new customer that you refer. That's pretty good, eh? If even 100 people come on to Skillshare through your link, you could generate potentially $670 just from 100 people, right? Sorry, my bad. $6,700. 670 would be $10 per person. So $6,700 from 100 people who click on your Skillshare link. And you can also do this for Udemy and for Coursera. These are two other very popular websites. By the way, you can also use these to set up your own course. But I do recommend Teachable. That is my number one recommendation. That being said, these are other websites you can also use to promote your course at. For Udemy, I'm not 100% sure about the commissions, but I believe they're around 15 to 30%. And for Coursera, the commissions are 15 to 45%. So the commissions vary here and there, but they're more or less the same. I do like Skillshare as an affiliate program a lot, and I do believe it's one of the easiest programs to promote. Don't be discouraged by the $67. Some of you might think that, you know, on Udemy or on Coursera or on other programs you could probably earn more, and that might be true, but the thing with Skillshare is that a lot of people actually sign up to Skillshare, myself included, and the reason is that when a user signs up with Skillshare through your link, they generally get a free trial for like 7 days or 30 days, something like that. And so a lot of people end up sticking on to it by the end of their subscription period. Some of them might cancel out, but many people do end up sticking. And I don't know if you've seen on YouTube, but Skillshare is massively popular. Most YouTubers in the education or explainer space are promoting Skillshare. And the reason for that is that the affiliate program is really good, and the main reason behind that is that there is a free trial at the beginning which gives you access to the entire Skillshare marketplace. So Skillshare is what I would recommend for affiliate marketing. Okay, the next way I recommend is offering translation services as a gig. And here's an example of Tamil to English. Check out this guy. He has 91 reviews, a 4.9 rating, and Tamil is a relatively popular language. It's not like a French or German where the potential would be much more. But see, even with Tamil, this guy here has 91 reviews, and he has one order in queue right now. And look at this page. You know, I recommend you go to Fiverr and check out certain pages, translation pages or other language services in your target language as well, and you can use some of these terms here. As you can see, a lot of people here are looking for proofreading, document formatting, transcription, whatnot. So you can also actually, you know, create YouTube videos that are specifically creating YouTube videos that specifically promote your Fiverr gig. And for example, you know, this person could make a video on Tamil to English document formatting guide, and then he could place a link to this Fiverr gig here. So anyone who's landing on this page through a video like that, you know, the likelihood of them purchasing one of his packages here is very high. So this is yet another thing that you could do to make money off this YouTube business. So that would be it for the YouTube bit, the YouTube component of this whole thing. But you can always extend that to having a website, and you can go ahead and create your own website. So this is again from the first example here, Korean Class 101. This is actually a bit of the opposite. You know, this is a website that seems to have created a YouTube channel, but you as a YouTube content creator can go ahead and create a website as well. And I understand that creating a website can, you know, be a challenging task, but there are tools out there like WordPress and Wix that help you do this. If you need assistance with that, you can contact me on my email below. I do work with certain clients to help them build websites. That is something that we can explore. But building a website, you know, and building an email list really helps to grow your audience and retarget them consistently. And a website gives you a lot more freedom. You can also use a blog. There's a lot of things you can do with a website. That being said, YouTube in itself is also very sufficient. Yet another thing that you can do, which I don't really have examples for here right now, but you can always go and create more social, especially TikTok reels and other short form video content, because short form is it's king right now, and you shouldn't be missing out on that form of content. You can use your existing YouTube content and turn it into reels, into short form content. So I would highly recommend doing that as well. Finally, to finish this video, I would say that if you do speak a remote language or a native language or a language that is not very, let's say, very popular, um, you should still go out there and make videos for that language. You should still, capitalize on that, because you might be one of the few creators out there who are actually creating content for that language, and more than half of the world still does not have access to the internet. So most of the world is still not online, and they will be online at some point. So this is a golden opportunity for you to be one of the first people in that language category to have content out there. And so it is your chance to monopolize on that language. It's like, imagine being the first person being able to upload a learn English or a learn French video on YouTube. That's a massive advantage, right? So don't miss out, and no matter what language you speak, I still recommend promoting it online, because there will always be opportunity. Many languages are being revived today because of apps and technologies that we have. So do not miss out. Alright, I think that would be it for this video. So au revoir, alvida, and I will see you later.